In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up geolocation on the Shopify Geolocation app. Shopify has changed how geolocation works. Instead of relying on the old standalone geolocation app, Shopify now includes geolocation features directly inside the markets section of your admin. That means you can handle basic geotargeting natively without installing a third-party app. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to set up your markets, currencies, languages, and selectors, so your customers see the right options based on where they're shopping from. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the option called Markets and click it. Here, you'll see a list of markets you've already created. Some stores will only show a single default market, usually based on the country you chose when you first signed up. If you need a new market in the future, you can use the Create Market button in the top right. For this example, open an existing market such as your international market. Inside the market editor, first give your market a clear, recognizable name. Then, under the Include section, click Add Condition or the pencil icon. A pop-up will open where you can choose which countries or regions belong to this market. Take a moment to select only the locations you really want grouped together, then confirm your choices. Next, look at the Customized section. If this is a brand new market, many settings will show as inherited from your primary market. Over time, you can override these and tailor things like currency, domains, and taxes specifically for this region. Click on Currency to open a pop-up. Use the drop-down to choose a single currency, or select the option to use local currency so customers pay in their own regional currency. Decide whether you want price rounding after conversion, and if you choose a specific currency, you may also see options for dynamic versus manual exchange rates. Adjust these based on your pricing strategy, then click Done. Now, click Domain and Language. Here, you'll assign which domain or subdomain this market will use and which language it will inherit. If you want to offer additional languages, click the plus icon. This will take you to your language settings or translation app, where you can add and manage more languages for your store. Under Taxes and Duties, enable or disable duties and import taxes, then choose how these will be displayed to customers. Clear tax display reduces checkout confusion, especially for international shoppers. You can also choose which product catalog and which store theme to assign to this market, which is useful if you want slightly different assortments or designs for specific regions. When you're happy with these settings, remember to click Save at the top near the search bar. Now let's make sure customers can actually change their country or region and language on the storefront. From the left panel in your admin, click Online Store. At the top, you'll see your current theme. On the right side of that theme, click Edit Theme and wait for the theme editor to load. Inside the theme editor, look at the left sidebar and select your header section. This opens the editing and styling options for the header. Find the Utilities area, and there you should see toggles for the country or region selector and the language selector. Turn them on if they aren't already enabled. You can repeat this process in your footer section if you want selectors both at the top and bottom of your site. Once those are enabled, check the live preview on the right. Click the country or region selector and the language selector to confirm they're working. You should see the list of countries or regions you included in your market setup, along with the appropriate currencies and languages in the drop-down options. When everything looks correct, click Save in the top right corner. Your geolocation setup is now live, and your customers will see tailored options based on where they're browsing from.